Welcome to this video, where we explore the future of artificial intelligence and how it could dramatically reshape our world in the next 5 years. Will your job be impacted by AI? Are we on the brink of a technological revolution, or is it just hype? Stick around as we unpack the facts, explore the risks, and understand the opportunities AI presents. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the distant future. In fact, it's already here, influencing industries across the globe. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work. But what exactly is driving this surge in AI development? Let's take a look at how it all began and how it's evolving. At its core, AI refers to machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Tasks like decision-making, problem-solving, learning from data, and even understanding natural language. In recent years, we've seen AI algorithms that can predict medical outcomes, create art, and even write news articles. But that's just the beginning. Machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks, these are the building blocks of AI that allow systems to not just mimic human behavior, but actually improve and evolve over time. With advancements in computational power and massive data availability, AI is now more capable than ever. One of the most pressing questions surrounding AI is its potential impact on jobs. Will robots take over? How secure is your career? To answer these questions, let us dive into the industries most likely to be disrupted by AI in the next 5 years. First, let's talk about automation in manufacturing. This is where AI has already made significant strides. Robots on factory floors are increasingly being programmed to perform repetitive tasks, like assembling parts or packaging goods. With AI, these machines can learn from their surroundings, adapt to changes, and even spot errors that humans might miss. The result? More efficient production, but also fewer jobs for people in low-skill manufacturing roles. Next, let's consider the transportation industry. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones are already being tested, and in some places, they're being used in real-world operations. Imagine a world where truck drivers are no longer needed to drive across the country, or delivery drivers don't have to navigate city streets. The logistics industry will likely be transformed, and millions of driving jobs could disappear, but it's not just manual labor that's at risk. AI is also targeting white-collar jobs. Legal research, financial analysis, and even journalism are being transformed by AI-powered software that can analyze vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human. In fact, there are already AI systems that can write news stories, generate reports, and even draft legal contracts. If you're in a profession that involves a lot of routine data analysis or content generation, the threat of AI is real, but here's the good news: not all jobs are going to be replaced by AI. In fact, AI can also create new opportunities. While some jobs will be automated, many more will emerge that we can't even predict yet. For instance, the demand for AI specialists is skyrocketing. Data scientists, machine learning engineers, AI ethicists, and software developers are already in high demand, and this trend is expected to continue. AI is also being used to augment human capabilities. Imagine an AI tool that helps doctors analyze medical images more accurately, or assists teachers in delivering personalized learning experiences to students. In these cases, AI isn't replacing jobs. It's enhancing them. Creative fields are also experiencing AI-driven transformations. Artists, musicians, and designers are leveraging AI to generate new ideas, automate tedious tasks, and even collaborate with machines in creating innovative work. In fact, AI-generated art and music are already gaining traction, and human creativity is being enhanced, not replaced. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Beyond jobs, how will AI change the world in the next 5 years? AI is set to revolutionize healthcare. We're talking about personalized medicine, where AI analyzes a patient's genetics, lifestyle, and medical history to provide tailored treatment plans. AI is already helping doctors detect diseases like cancer at early stages with unprecedented accuracy. In the near future, AI could even predict diseases before they happen, allowing for preventive measures and saving countless lives. In education, AI-powered tutoring systems could provide customized learning experiences for every student. Imagine a classroom where every student receives personalized lessons tailored to their learning style, pace, and interests. This could drastically improve education outcomes and make learning more accessible to people all around the world. And let's not forget about the environment. AI can play a crucial role in tackling climate change by optimizing energy usage, reducing waste, and improving sustainability efforts. AI can also analyze vast amounts of environmental data to predict climate patterns and help us develop better strategies for protecting our planet. With all the promise AI holds, there are important ethical questions we must address. AI is powerful, but who controls it? How do we ensure that AI is used responsibly and fairly? Bias in AI is a real concern. Since AI systems learn from data, they can inadvertently reinforce existing biases present in the data. For example, facial recognition technology has been criticized for being less accurate in identifying people of color. Ensuring that AI is developed and trained in ways that are fair, transparent, and free from bias will be crucial for its success. Another key issue is privacy. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, they collect vast amounts of personal data. How can we ensure that this data is protected? Who owns the data that AI systems use? These are questions that we all need to answer in the coming years as AI continues to evolve. So, what does this all mean for the future of work? Should we be worried or should we be excited? The truth is, the world of work is already changing, and AI is going to be a big part of that change. The key to thriving in an AI-driven world is adaptability. As AI takes over routine tasks, humans will be free to focus on more creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of work. But to stay competitive, we'll need to upskill and reskill. Investing in learning new skills, especially in areas like AI, data science, and digital literacy, will be crucial for future job security. But it's not just about technical skills. Emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, and the ability to collaborate with machines will be highly sought after in the AI-powered world. As we look ahead to the next 5 years, one thing is clear: AI is going to change the world in ways we can't fully predict yet. But with those changes come opportunities. AI is not just a threat to jobs, it's a tool that can empower us to do things we never thought possible. Whether you're worried about your job being replaced or excited about the possibilities, the key to navigating the future of AI is understanding it, preparing for it, and embracing the change. The future is coming, and it's up to us to shape it. So, are you ready to adapt to the AI revolution? Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe.